and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use float, CSS float, to align an image to either the right or the left side of a paragraph. Let's dive in. So this is the HTML file I have created. I have not applied any CSS yet. So I have an image and a paragraph, a long paragraph. So what I want to show you using a float, CSS float, how you can position this image and the paragraph side by side, and you can alternate it to the right or left. Let's do that. So here, go to the image and then type float left. So what happens after this? Let's run this. Now you can see now the paragraph is positioned to the left, to the right of the image, while the image maintains the left position. Now if you want the image on the other side, we change this to right. Okay, so let's run this one. Now you can see that the image has been positioned to the right. As you make this smaller, the whole paragraph wraps up. That's it to float. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.